I would like to show you a monster. It is pneumatic wood compressor rotary clamp courier. Finally, some small wooden boards are changed to expensive wooden plates.
You may ask why we do this. Why do we cut big lumber into smaller pieces, then stick the smaller pieces together to have a big wooden frame? There are some important reasons. Number 1, to reduce wood consumption. By doing this, we change the natural dimensions of the wood to our desired dimensions, not only in length but also in width. This causes less wood consumption. Number 2, to decrease stress and strain in the wood. Indeed, based on the tree grouse story, physical and mechanical properties, drying process, and a number of other factors, wooden lumber is full of stress and strain. By cutting lumber into smaller parts, a lot of stress and strain will be relieved. Number 3, for better drying. By cutting the lumber into smaller pieces, we increase the cross-sectional area of the wood. This causes the wood to lose moisture faster and dry out. These are some of the reasons. Of course, there are several.
Now we have to cut both sides of the wooden plates at the same time to alignment. This is double cross cut.